Hello students, today I am going to teach you winnowing, sieving, sedimentation and decantation. देखो इससे पहले मैंने तुम्हें पढ़ाया था थ्रेसिंग. What is threshing? It was removing the grain from the stalk. Removing the grain from the stalk. Now, today I will teach you winnowing. You might have seen the winnowing in your area also. In the agricultural field, what the farmer do? They take the grain and the grain carrying the husk of that, and they used to slowly spread the grain in the air, and with the help of wind the husk are getting removed. Some people use the natural air, some uses the artificial air like blower. So winnowing is the process of separating the husk from the grain by using the wind energy. You can write that winnowing. It is the process of removing the husk, lighter stalks or lighter particles, lighter substance from the heavier, from the grain, सीधे लिखो कोई जरूरत नहीं, from the grain by using wind energy. It is called winnowing. So बच्चों winnowing by using the wind energy, the far, it is like this, grain is falling like this. The wind is coming here, grain, husks are thrown by that time, that way, and grain being heavier settled at the bottom. This happens in the case of winnowing. Children, pay attention that we need to separate the grain from the mixture of grains, wheat or rice and husk. It is done by the method of winnowing, the separating of heavier and lighter component of a mixture by the blowing of wind. Okay, now you have understood the winnowing. Now next topic I will teach you sieving. It is a process of removing the process of separating the substance substance having different having difference of size, difference in size. It is carried out by the, sieving is carried out by the sieve. Sieve. The sieve has a particular size of large number of holes through which a smaller substance comes out. Separated from larger one, from bigger one. Grain, that is a wheat, is separated from flour, which is separated from the flour. And see children, what we do, तुम अपने घर में चालते हुए देखे होगे, wheat and flour are there. If you need to remove the wheat from the flour, right? At the same time, sands are there. Sand is to be removed. All the stone is to be removed from the sand. In the case of sieving, generally we are using the you can say that a stone bigger particles of sand are removed by sieving. Okay. Now this part you have understood that कैसे सिविंग होता है और कैसे विनोइंग होता है. सिविंग में चालना होता है. मोटा मोटी तौर पर आप कह सकते हो कि मैंने बालू को चाल दिया, गेहूं को चाल दिया, और दूसरे तरह के जैसे फ्लैक्सी सीड है, व्हीट में है तो फ्लैक्सी सीड को व्हीट से अलग कर सकते हो क्योंकि फ्लैक्स सीड काफी छोटा होता है, व्हीट इज मच हेवियर. नाउ माय नेक्स्ट पार्ट गोज टू द sedimentation. Sedimentation, I will tell you now with activity what is sedimentation. Now, gentlemen, it is a sand ore. I am putting the water into that. देखो. Now, sand is heavier. I put it that sand has settled at the bottom. This process, settling of heavier particle at the bottom of the mixer, is known as sedimentation. Settling of heavier particle at the bottom of the container is known as sedimentation. अभी इसको क्या करोगे? अगर मैं इस पानी को ऐसे रिमूव करता हूँ, ठीक है, ऐसे निकालता हूँ, इसे बोलते हैं decantation. Removing the water without disturbing the sediment. Removing the water without disturbing the sediment is known as decantation. Okay? Now write. Sedimentation. Sedimentation. It is a process of separating the it is a process of sedimentation. It is a process of separating the heavier particles, heavier matter from the liquid it is done by leaving them undisturbed leaving them undisturbed, the heavier particles, the heavier matter settled at the bottom settled at the bottom and settled at the bottom, it is called sediments. It is a process of separating the heavier matter from the liquid. It is done by leaving them undisturbed. The heavier matter settled at the bottom. It is called sediment. It is called sediments. It is called sediments. Now children, and now next topic is decantation, sediments. The process of settling down of heavier heavier method at the bottom. Now, sediment decantation. A bit of what is the decantation? Decantation. Decantation, I told you that the water is settled, heavier particle is settled, this is called sediment. It is called sediment. Now remove this, it is called decantation. Removing of liquid without disturbing the sediment, removing or pouring, removing, सीधा सबसे सही है, removing or liquid with liquid without disturbing the sediments, without disturbing the sediment is known as decantation. Decantation. For example, pouring of water, pouring out water without disturbing the sediments. Okay, children, we have completed my portion up to decantation we have taught you. Okay? Now, write the questions. That answer you will be writing, putting on WhatsApp. What is the relation between sedimentation and decantation? Okay. Next question. Explain winnowing. How winnowing is done. Explain sieving. Sieving. Explain sieving. These all three questions I have given you. And we expect that tomorrow answer. Thank you.